My design studio's name is Studio Saucy. It is pronounced as Saucy, but it is, if you see the spelling, it is Studio Sapsai. And I've been practicing since almost 12 years now. And earlier, मेरी practice पुणे में थी. And for a couple of years, I was working there. And it's been 8 to 9 years I've shifted in Nagpur. In these years, we have covered n number of projects: residential, interiors, commercial, offices, showrooms, automobile showrooms, many cafes, restaurants. So काफी वैरायटी के काम किए हैं. We have never thought, और हमने कभी ऐसा डिसाइड नहीं किया कि we'll just be doing one genre or we'll be just only following one track. So whatever comes to our plate, basically, we try and we enjoy doing it. But residential and restaurant hospitality projects are more we focus on. ये project actually Instagram has been very helpful because we usually don't market ourselves that much. So couple of meetings हमारी पहले हुई. They visited a couple of projects which we have done. सब होने के बाद में they were very confident and design, उनका design language उनके दिमाग में क्या है, can we do it for them, ये समझने के बाद में we finalized the project. The process was, you can say, it was not very easy, but client were really nice. बहुत understanding रख के उन्होंने भी कि actually they used to understand, not being from this field, they used to understand कि क्या difficulty side पे आ रही है, उनकी जो भी design philosophy है उनके दिमाग में. Because any residential project or any bedroom or any house can be designed in a number of ways. उनको क्या पसंद आएगा जो हम डिलीवर कर सकते हैं, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. सो वो समझने के बाद, और हम क्या नहीं कर सकते, ये वो समझने के बाद वी हैव डिजाइन्ड दिस प्रोजेक्ट. अनफॉर्चुनेटली दे आर वेरी हैप्पी विद द आउटकम एंड दे आर हैप्पी, सो वी आर हैप्पी, वी आर कन्विंस्ड. In this project, there are two generations living together. One is younger generation, young couple, recently got married, and another is like 60s, proper uncle aunties. So उनके दिमाग में बहुत क्लियर विजन था कि हम 20-25 साल से घर में रह रहे हैं. नाउ व्हाट वी वांट, स्टोरेज प्रायोरिटी रहती है, मेंटेनेंस, लो मेंटेनेंस इज द प्रायोरिटी. बट वेयर एज द यंगर जनरेशन, दे ऑब्वियसली वांट द हाउस टू लुक गुड, डिजाइंड, एस्थेटिक्स इज द प्रायोरिटी. सो दोनों की रिक्वायरमेंट समझ के फुलफिल करना वॉज द मेन क्राइटेरिया. So from my office, Akir Diksha was working on this project. So whenever we used to sit and discuss about this project, design typology और design language में जो था, so the client was very clear कि उनको बहुत classic tone में नहीं जाना है. So it was somewhat a challenge for me कि थोड़ा मुझे अपने comfort zone से भी निकल के इसको modern के तरफ लेके जाना है, not towards the classic part. So that was the challenging part, but eventually it is turned out really well.
So a lot of times decisions were stalled because they wanted to talk about it internally. The second challenge I would say is that because the client was not in our country, he lived outside. So a lot of times post office times, I would speak to him, and if I want to coordinate with him in the daytime and something was pending, that couldn't be done without his approval. So we had to wait the entire day before their time is a reasonable hour so we could talk to them. Another challenge is that there were a lot of areas in the house. So to be really organized, I made Excels if there were any changes in any room that they had said that we want the cushioning to be done this way, we want the veneer to be done this way, we want the tiling, or really particular things that everyone has. So to maintain all of that, to coordinate with all the vendors for all the areas, to procure all the materials, all the lights, everything. So I feel like that I learned a lot of things, how to be really organized with everything. So that was a really good challenge. But otherwise it was really nice. Like the client was also really nice. We enjoyed working with him, and the house turned out to be really nice.
इस प्रोसेस में क्या होता है कि eventually after 3-4 months clients also travel, they Instagram and Pinterest पे नई नई चीजें देखते हैं and they come up with changes constantly. Here it was a very positive point, I would say, for the clients. They made sure कि they gave us no changes. Starting में they were very keen on what they want. After it was done, they followed our design. उसमें जो टेक्निकल डिफिकल्टीज आई या कुछ प्रैक्टिकल इश्यूज थे, सिर्फ उतने चेंजेस हमने किए. बाकी whatever was decided and designed, we were just following that.
So basically, we got the project as bare shell. So we had to design everything. We had to take the measurements and see what all rooms are, and if they wanted any changes with the spaces in the rooms or anything, or if they wanted to keep it as is. So our first visit was about that, getting a basic understanding कि जैसा है उनको वैसे ही चाहिए, उनको कौन सा लेआउट है, क्योंकि बहुत क्लाइंट्स की प्रेफरेंसेस होती है. सम वांट अ टेलीविजन इन देयर बेडरूम, सम डोंट वांट इट. किसी को चाहिए होता है कि लिविंग रूम में कंफर्टेबल सीटिंग रहे. उनको जैसे चाहिए था कि किचन में एक ब्रेकफास्ट काउंटर हो फॉर क्विक ब्रेकफास्ट. तो ये सारी चीज़ें टू अंडरस्टैंड वी वेंट. तो फर्स्ट विजिट में हमारा यही सब था, टू गेट द डिमेंशंस, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स what we get the drawing, so it doesn't match with the physical dimensions. So to cross check that, because it is easier for us that way to plan all the drawings and all the 3D. So the first visit was about that, to get a basic understanding. Same with the living room. It's really simple, but it's whenever you go there, you'll feel very positive about it. There's a beautiful white veneer used there that we sourced, and when you put it in design and then when you see it in execution, so those are two different things. And I was really glad that we were able to find such beautiful materials. And for the master bedroom, they were very clear that we want the headboard with some good veneers, some good artwork. उसमें bands थे and उसमें हमने grooves create किए थे, and then we put HDHMR panels which we then reduco on. We had an artist come in, and there was a storage on the wall. So she painted the entire wall. So for a second, when you look at the wall, you wouldn't know that there's storage incorporated in that. In my opinion, is that their walk-in and their washroom of the master. Because when you look at it, you feel a grandeur that the slim partition opens up and there's a huge walk-in, and then there's a separate space for a jacuzzi, there's a separate space for another wet area, and a huge vanity. So I feel that that turned out to be really, really well. So the parents' bedroom, they wanted neutral colors. Nothing, they were not very particular about it. Their walk-in especially was, I think, really, really nice. A lot of storage, really small space, but we used mirrors, so that enhanced a lot of storage. And for the kids' bedroom, as I spoke, that they wanted curves and they wanted it to be playful. So we used some colorful mica, some fabric micas. Even their walk-in especially is very nice and airy. For the guest bedroom, I felt that it was really simplistic but really nice. Like we used some wallpapers, two different types of laminates to really enhance it, with glass shutters for the wardrobes. And even their lounge, for example, their lounge and the counter space that they have. So there are rafters in the ceiling. There's some really nice carpeted tiling and exposed brickwork. Kitchen, again, we did subway tiles for the dado, and we did this really nice creamy grey shade for the shutters with this breakfast counter. So the breakfast counter has these jalis in the front elevation with good posts. So when you look at it, it's like a solid counter where there are stools and there are hanging lights coming down. So for the mandir as well, so they're really fond of Radha Krishna, and from the day one, they knew that the mandir has to be the most beautiful area of the house. And they even have a Radha Krishna painting. They specifically wanted a good backdrop for it.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम मुकेश रायबाजी वाड़ी बस में है। आर्किटेक्ट बजाज सर के साथ में मैं 4 साल से जुड़ा हूँ, और 4 साल से जुड़ने के बाद में उनके हर प्रोजेक्ट्स पे मैंने काम किया है। उसमें से एक प्रोजेक्ट अग्रवाल जी का है। अग्रवाल जी के प्रोजेक्ट्स में मैंने शावर क्यूबिकल पार्टीशंस एंड स्लिम पार्टीशंस, फ्लूटेड ग्लास विद स्लिम पार्टीशंस, विंडो डोमल सेक्शंस किया है वहाँ पे, और डिज़ाइन के कुछ ग्लास और मिरर्स फर्मे के बनाया हुआ है। वो प्रोजेक्ट्स करने में मेरे को बहुत थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्टी भी हुई है, और बहुत अच्छा ही लगा है काम करते हुए।
मेरा नाम इमरान खान है। कारपेंट्री का मेरा वर्क है, और अपन काम करते हैं बजाज सर के साथ। तो उनके साथ बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है। और जैसे कि अभी हमने यहाँ पे अग्रवाल जी के यहाँ पे काम किया है, वहाँ पे 4 रूम है, एक हॉल है, लिविंग रूम है, सब पे अलग-अलग वर्क किया है। जो फर्नीचर का काम किया है, उसमें करने में बहुत मज़ा आया। वेरी गुड।
मेरा नाम आशीष बड़ोदेकर है, और मेरा पेंट, पॉलिश, डिको इसका काम है। और पिछले 10 साल से मैं पारितोष सर के साथ में इस काम से जुड़ा हूँ, और अभी तक उनके साथ काम चल रहा है। अभी फ़िलहाल हमने एक सदर में अग्रवाल जी का प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट किए। काफ़ी अच्छा खूबसूरत प्रोजेक्ट हुआ वो, हर प्रोजेक्ट की तरह ये भी प्रोजेक्ट में सर ने काफ़ी अलग अलग चीज़ें और अलग अलग डिजाइन, काफ़ी सुंदर डिजाइन सर ने बनाई है। वो काम करते समय अगर वो कुछ डिजाइन पसंद नहीं आ रही है, कुछ कलर पसंद नहीं आ रहे हैं, शेड्स पसंद नहीं आ रहे हैं, तो बार बार बदल के हमने वो बहुत अच्छा एक प्रोजेक्ट तैयार की है। जैसा कि फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे जो एक पेरेंट्स बेडरूम, उसमें विनर हमको जो थीम के हिसाब से चाहिए था वो नहीं मिल रहा था, तो वो विनर का शेड चेंज करना एक बहुत क्रिटिकल होता है, तो वो चेंज करते समय हमें काफ़ी तकलीफ हुई, लेकिन आखिरी में वो प्रॉपर उसका शेड हमें मिल गया। वैसे हॉल में, लिविंग रूम में जो डिको का शेड चाहिए था वो भी थोड़ा अलग था, वो भी हमने कस्टमाइज करके साइड पे बना के उसको ये किए, काफ़ी अच्छा था। ये भी बाकी साइड के हिसाब से भी ये भी साइड पे हमको काफ़ी कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला।
My name is Dominic Delaima. I am associated with Paritosh sir for the last 4 years. We have done commercial projects, we have done residential projects, and it has been a very fantastic journey, and we are still moving ahead in it. In India, basically, the standard height of the kitchens, since the height factor is around, we all little short, the ladies especially. So it's around 32 to 33 inches max, which we can go. But since there was an element of a dishwasher, and they wanted the dishwasher to be in the kitchen base itself, and it should be same, or the height should be same of the full kitchen. So the basically the dishwasher height is around 36 inches, that is around uh, uh, 3 feet. So 3 feet height is a challenge. So since the client wanted that, and he is from actually US, and he's so his requirement was very specific that we require it, and you now plan out how to do it. So there were a lot of things in which we had to adjust, and ultimately we managed to pull it off, and it was a that was a challenge, but at the end of the day, when we executed it and we handed over it, it all came out very seamlessly.
मेरा नाम नंदकिशोर रामदास सतंग है। मैं पिछले 6 सालों से पारितोष सर के साथ में इलेक्ट्रिशियन करके जुड़ा हूँ। अभी तक के जो भी प्रोजेक्ट किए हैं उनमें लगभग हर प्रोजेक्ट में साथ में था, और किसी और के भी हाथ की भी वायरिंग रही तो उसमें वायर ट्रेस करना सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत रहती है, और खुद के इसमें भी करना है तो आगे वालों को भी तकलीफ ना हो, इसका भी पूरा ध्यान रखना चाहिए। मेरे बाद में भी कहीं और जाके भी कुछ कभी काम करने का उसको ये पड़ा तो उसको दिक्कत ना जाए कि वो एमसीबी से स्विच बोर्ड तक के प्रॉपर मिलने को ना उसको। बहुत अच्छा ये रहा कि जिस हिसाब से उन्होंने ड्राइंग दिए है उसमें आज तक के कोई दिक्कत नहीं गई है, और कुछ प्रॉब्लम भी आए हैं तो खुद आके समझा के जाते हैं। ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है कि वो जिसमें दिक्कत आती है और उसका सॉल्यूशन नहीं निकलता है, हर सॉल्यूशन है।
सर मैं सुखचंद चौधरी प्लम्बर। सर पारितोष सर बजाज सर के साथ में मैं कम से कम 4 साल से जुड़ा हूँ। इसमें अभी और एक इसके पहले प्रोजेक्ट किया हमने मिस्टर राजू जी अग्रवाल सदर में, तो इसमें इनका अच्छा काम रहा, और जो भी प्रॉब्लम आती हैं वो हम सब मिलके आपस में मिल बांट के सुलझा लेते हैं। और इनका नेचर ऐसा है कि बस यानी किसी प्रकार से किसी को तकलीफ नहीं देना और रेस नहीं होना, आपस में अपन समझौता करके काम कर लेते हैं। तो राजू अग्रवाल सर के यहाँ बहुत बढ़िया काम हुआ, और इसमें हीट पंप भी लगा है, और ये बाथटब लगे हैं, किड्स में बाथटब लगा हुआ है, बहुत अच्छा काम हुआ है।
My painting team, my electrical team, kitchen team, मेरे ऑफिस में जो आर्किटेक्ट्स काम करते हैं, दीक्षा वर्किंग ऑन दिस प्रोजेक्ट, एवरीबडी हैज़ बीन वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग, वेरी सिंसियर, इतने टाइम से कर रहे हैं। उनको भी अब दे अंडरस्टैंड माई थॉट प्रोसेस। मस्ती भी होती है जब मस्ती करनी चाहिए, लेकिन जब काम है तो नो कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन दैट। एंड फॉर्चुनेटली अभी तक ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ी मुझे इतनी टीम्स बदलने की। मेरे वेंडर्स बहुत सालों से वही रहते हैं, मुश्किल से 1-2 को मजबूरी में बदलना पड़ता है, बट आई एम नॉट वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ दैट। I really like sticking to my people, and they are my main backbone. मतलब मैं अकेला रिजाइन कर लूँ, थोड़ा सा समझ लूँ, जैसे अर्लियर स्टार्टिंग सालों में मैं करता ही था, एज टू मैनेज 6-7 प्रोजेक्ट्स बाय माई सेल्फ व्हेन देयर वाज नो ऑफिस. बट अभी इतने सालों से आई कैन से कि जितने सालों से मेरी टीम प्रॉपर बनी है, सो दे आर माई रियल सपोर्ट. एंड इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट in anything, in any field. Without the team's backup, you can't do anything. They are very important to me. I would really like to thank them. So ये प्रोजेक्ट का जो हैंडओवर टाइम था, उनका पहले से प्री डिसाइडेड था कि इस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे वो इंडिया आएंगे, स्पेशली अपने घर का हाउस वार्मिंग करने के लिए. सो आखिरी के यू कैन से 8-10 दिन बहुत हेक्टिक थे, बिकॉज नो मैटर व्हाट, लास्ट फिनिशिंग डेज में टाइम लगता ही है. फिनिशिंग टचेस रैंडमली निकलते हैं कहीं पे. I'll visit, I'll realize कि something is missing, और the client will mention कि ये वाला part सही नहीं लग रहा. So I still remember myself standing there at 11:30 in the night, क्योंकि 3 दिन बाद इनका हाउस वार्मिंग थी. And it was very hectic, very very hectic, क्योंकि even you want to make sure कि सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है, 1 साल से काम कर रहे हैं, and आखिरी 2 दिन में नहीं चाहते कि कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो and आउटकम पूरा हो. The design dialogue is meeting deadlines, create white lines. Because when you have to work under pressure, so sometimes, most of the times, when you're working under pressure, so you end up achieving your goals in a much better way. Because especially I like to work under pressure. थोड़े at ease हो जाते तो we are comfortable enough. And even today my client appreciates because उनके deadline was very much fixed, like I mentioned earlier. They were very keen on it. So today they also realize कि हमने आखिरी के 15-20 दिनों में we were on our toes. Like I told you, I was standing there late in the nights. Now they appreciate it more than we do because ये तो हमारा काम है.
Hi, this is Yash and Ayushi. We currently live in United States and we have built a house in Nagpur, and we wanted to share a little experience about interior designing professional and how we selected the person that made our house today.
So for Paritosh, I personally followed him from a very long time on Instagram. And when we were thinking of some interior designer, I think he was the first person we thought of. We were in India for a few days and we reached him out. And I think instantly he replied. And within 2-3 days, he showed us few of his projects. I think it was he was very responsive, and that helped us. And when we spoke to him, when we communicated what we are looking for and what are our ideas, what we envision, I think it was instantly he got it, instantly understood what we are looking for. And I think that is when we decided that we really want to work with him. Also, our parents are staying with us. So it was not only for us that he was understanding, but also our parents desires, like, okay, this is what they are looking for. So there was like obviously generation gap,
Right.
and he was kind of understanding how to blend that and make everyone happy.
As Ayushi was saying, that his responsiveness is something I really enjoyed, and I am that kind of person, and that's why we connected so easily, and that helped us throughout the 3 years of the
Yeah,
project.
I think it never ever it has happened that he has texted him and he was not responsive at any time, because he understood that it's difficult to manage the time, I guess. And also, when you know that like if we give examples from USA, like this is what we have seen here at someone's place, so he was aware of it. It
Right.
was never like he just said like canceled anything without listening to us or without researching about it. And with time, I think there was a trust that if he's suggesting us like why this is not gonna work in India or why this is not practical, we trusted him.
Right.
So
There
it
were
was
some ideas where we were maybe we were having some unreasonable asks. So he had a very nice way of saying no. He wouldn't just come out and tell you that this is not possible. He will tell you the structural design or engineering based answers, that why is this not possible or why this would not be feasible for the future.
And I think he has an amazing team. Even Diksha, she was so helpful. She was always hands on with everything. Even with my mother in law, she was always, like connecting with her personally, sitting how and planning things, how it's going to be with the wardrobes and stuff. Like every small things. I mean, sometimes it's difficult to manage and work in 2 time zones. And his team was kind of able to do that. And
Right. And I'm sure Paritosh can attest to this that I was available throughout the project 24/7 and he was available for me as well. That's why we connected so better. And as Ayushi just said, his team, that is also a very important part of where he has all the connections in a painter, plumber, electrician, and you have to trust that he will bring in the right people because there is always an option that you might know an electrician or you might know a plumber and you think that this person can do the better job, but when those two people are already working on multiple projects, they have their own way of working, and I think sometimes that's better to use his vendors than bringing in your vendors on board. And that we experienced in the project later, that it would always helped us in having chosen his vendors, because then we could have one point of person to talk to. We can take all of our problems and understand the actual site problems and go to one person and get our best possible results.
I just want to add that because we were not there while selecting all the materials like the colors and the tiles, everything, even with the furniture, the textile, everything. So I think when he gave us a 3D design, like it, okay, we envisioned this is how it's going to look, but we were not there to select all the raw materials. So he went to all the vendors, and I think 99% of things were exactly the same as he
Yeah.
gave us in the 3D work. So it was his team, his work, that they went and they actually got us the same thing, because from here you cannot decide. Just imagine the color you see and the color you see on a video call is totally different.
Right.
So it was so difficult to make any choices, and it would have stopped or like delayed our project from 6-7 months, because it was impossible for us to travel for all these things. So, and when we went back and we saw everything, as it was like we are seeing exactly the
In the
places out
image.
from 3D design.
And all four of us, me, Ayushi, my parents, we spent enormous amount of time in building that 3D. And that was the reason that we wanted to actually see it in pictures, that how would our house look like. And then it was easier also both on our end and Paritosh's team's end, that we could easily go back and say that we want to see it like this.
Right.
So we were only focused on those options. We could kind of limit our options as well because we had a final version of 3D. If not, if you go in a tile store, it would be very hard if you see 1,000 options of tiles, and you can then see, you can maybe think in your mind that maybe this will look better, this will look better. But then when you connect all the pieces in a room in a 3D, and then you decide that, oh, I maybe only have 2 or 3 options, and this is why these are the options we should look at and finalize in any piece of uh interior within the room.
Yeah, he helped us look at the bigger picture.
Yeah,
overall.
yeah.
And I think the other thing which was also good is that he frequently visited the site when it was working. It's not that only his team is doing everything. He was also coming, taking care of everything. And if there were some complaints, everything is not positive. Sometimes things go south. So he was taking care of it. And, you just have to tell him. And most of the time he'll figure it out. But if we are telling him that, okay, this is not working, he's going to be responsive and he'll take the responsibility. Also about the budgets, it's like sometimes the client has a lot of things, like we want this, so he's not going to cut you off. He's going to tell you the real picture. Okay, this is how it's going to be, and if you want to stick to a certain budget, he knows what to he'll suggest you, like you can cancel this, but don't give up on this specific thing. So it's not that he's going to go over budget with you and just say yes to everything. He'll help you manage your budgets as well.
And also, I would want to say that the team that he has, I personally know them very well now by working with them for 3 years. All the plumber Chaudhary ji, painter Ashish ji, and I know all of them so well now that I know if something goes wrong in my house in the future after, that they are there to help you. And have that confidence in my interior designer now. I'm more connected to my interior person than I am to my civil guy. And that's how it works out. And at the end of the day, you have to spend time in your project, and hopefully it turns out good for you as well.
Yeah,
as it did for us.
Yeah, and I think many a times when you see something, when you talk to someone, like some vendor or anything, you know, there's a problem that they show you something and they deliver you something. It's not like that here. Whatever we wanted, whatever our parents wanted, whatever they showed us, like this is how it's gonna look like, it's exactly looking like that. It's better actually.
Yeah.
So I think that is a very promising thing to have when you are going. And जैसे बोलते हैं घर एक बार बनता है तो बेस्ट
Yeah.
बनना चाहिए. तो दिल की पूरी चीजें हुई है is what we can say.
Yeah. And as we say that we have been making this video and we like Partesh's work and we are on the verge of giving him another project. So that shows our commitment towards his work, and good meeting you all. Bye.
Hi, I'm Akirat Paritosh Bajaj, and this is my design store.